Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we practice some important bits regarding the lesson at the vegetable shop from the 6th class Andhra Pradesh English content. Who is the queen of vegetables? Answer Brinjal. I will keep your eyes sparkling. Choose the meaning of underlined word sparkling. Answer bright. According to the lesson at the vegetable shop, who sent Ramu to buy vegetables? Answer Ramu's mother. You will be robust if you eat me. Choose the meaning of the underlined word. Answer strong. According to the lesson at the vegetable shop, why did Ramu's mother send Ramu to buy vegetables? Answer because she busy at home. Thank God my purse is intact. Choose the meaning of the underlined word intact. Answer undamaged. According to the lesson at the vegetable shop, what gives aroma to our dishes? Answer curry leaves. I will keep your eyes sparkling. Choose the parts of speech of the underlined word sparkling. Answer an adjective. Which vegetable looks fat and round? Answer pumpkin. Spinach. Hey, look at me. I give you a lot of iron content. Choose the synonyms of underlined word a lot of. Answer plenty. According to the lesson at the vegetable shop, where did Ramu find a purse? Answer among pumpkins. You will be robust if you eat me. Choose the synonyms of underlined word robust. Answer vigorous. According to the lesson at the vegetable shop, how much money how does Ramu have? Answer 80 rupees. Look at me, I am very sweet. Choose the synonym of the underlined word sweet. Answer delicious. Choose the sentence in the simple past tense. Answer he cut the mango. You will be robust if you eat me. Choose the parts of speech of underlined word robust. Answer an adjective. Remember, I keep your eyes and hair healthy. Choose the synonym of the underlined word healthy. Answer vigorous. Which vegetable gives us iron content? Answer spinach. I will keep your eyes sparkling. Choose the opposite of underlined word sparkling. Answer dull. The teacher shouted dash the students. Choose the correct preposition of the complete the sentence. Answer it. Thank God my purse is intact. Choose the opposite of the underlined word intact. Answer damaged. Thank God my purse is intact. Choose the parts of speech of the underlined word intact. Answer an adjective. They built a house. Change into passive voice. Answer a house was built by them. I saw a beautiful green leaf. The part of speech of the word green is dash. Answer an adjective. Choose the word that can be used as a verb and a noun. Answer thought. Choose the word that gives the meaning of a number of people watching a match or something. Answer spectators. Choose the grammatically correct question. Answer how long is the queue? Choose the expression with the correct order of adjectives. Answer a brown Indian handmade wooden table. While one of my friends dash, it began to rain. Choose the correct tense from form of the verb to complete the sentence given above. Answer was playing. Salman caught a strange fish. Change into passive voice. Answer: a strange fish was caught by Salman. According to the lesson at the vegetable shop, which bag does Ramu always carry with him? Answer: a jute bag. Rajini drew the picture. Change into passive voice. Answer: the picture was drawn by Rajini. According to the lesson at the vegetable shop, what kind of boy Ramu? Answer: honest. Ramu found a purse. Change into passive voice. Answer: a purse was found by Ramu. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.